Rice cake machine SYP4509. Heat and coated mold. Thin crispy type for Brazil. Very thin and very hot. Be careful. Very crispy. Okay, temperature 235. This is set temperature. This is the present temperature. And speed 4.7. Thickness is 0.0. And depth of core is 2.8. So the first is second. And pressure. 110 for thin pipe. At the check or set the pressure, you had better close pressure gauge. You need longer. You know push button here. Push, machine stops. Alright. Okay, cylinder there, and below is the pressure support valve to keep the stable pressure. And put the solenoid valve to provide the electric signal. The most light is moving for the machine movement. Okay, and motor and pump. It's oil tank and it's a fan. Fan must be on all the time when the machine works. It's white rice and brown rice mix. It's a feeding plate. And there's the proxy sensor red light. Go forward is turn off. Come back fully back, it's turn on again. Otherwise you cannot go to the next step. Two springs and drive motor and gear head. There's the oil valve, check valve and leaf valve. Leaf valve is related with the pressure control. Insert the related wrench and counterclockwise increase pressure. And clockwise decrease pressure. Oil tank. And control box here. It's an inverter. It's a 50,000. The reset button here. An SSR for the stable temperature and temperature controller. Breaker, contactor, and raise on PCB. PCB is the brain of the machine, and this is the micro control volume here. It's a roll to change the type, normal and thin type. You can turn it by finger. Oil tank, hydraulic oil 20 liters inside. Very hot. Very nice shape. Very crispy. Very thin.